Good evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is Tuesday, November 9th, 2021. This is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified of the videos when they come out, as well as the thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about iExec, RLC. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link in the description below the video. Let's go straight to RLC US dollar. Definitely catching a nice bid today. We're already still kind of like up and down. We almost broke this line of resistance. Man, it came close, pierced through, but pulled back very quickly. Clearly, the turtle went back to its shell. But in the meantime, we are still over. What I feel like is the line of support right now is around 487 in this range right here. You can see it was resistance back here, now support over here. The ultimate line of support, I think, is down at this line here. Excuse me, let me move this thing out of my way. It is around 467 in that range, and then the clear line of resistance is 512. So getting over this 512 will be important to move forward on the on the upward commute. In the meantime, I just drew this line here. It has been going on for now a couple of weeks. I'm going to save that. But recognize that this is a line of support that has been going on now. So we kind of bounced around here, came all the way up. We're bouncing around again. I think we're going to bounce. So on the RLC Bitcoin pair, it looks like we have a little bit of resistance at this longer term orange line. And I'll just zoom out so everyone can see how long this has been going for, all the way back since January of this year. Again, the line of resistance here, this long-term line is around 77.70, and we've got support at 71.86. So we might be just kind of consolidating here for a little bit. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin definitely making some money moves right now, definitely scaring some folks out of the Bitcoin trade. I think as early as this morning, when people were waking up, you started to see this thing start to tank. But we do have this line of support here. We also have a line of resistance, and it is looking like it could potentially be, and I don't want to say it could be, but it could be an area where we should keep our eye on it, meaning to monitor it, meaning that we don't know if it's going to go up or down, but we need to monitor the pattern because it sometimes reflects a bearish pattern, particularly when you have a broadening wedge that is pointing upward, that is tilted up. It's like one of those desk lamps that are tilted up. Well, that's exactly what I'm seeing here. It could be a hoax, but I will tweet out as we see this thing develop. This is important to keep our eye on. It does impact the rest of the crypto market. Bitcoin dominance is also here. Bitcoin dominance is just simply consolidating from my purview. It's hard to say where it's ultimately going. But right now, it looks like it is on a reversal trajectory back on its way up. So we have to figure out what this will look like in the near term as well. So we'll keep our eye on that. But right now, Bitcoin US dollar, we will keep our monitors and bells, on tap. And I will keep you posted on Twitter. But right now, RLC looking like a reasonable line of support of 485. We're only 10 cents away from that. But worst case scenario, in my view, is around 469 unless some macro event hits us in the back of the head. But anyway, we'll keep in touch on Twitter. Take care.